Hi everyone, my name is Dietrich and I am the Cheese Doctor. Many English speakers already subscribed to my YouTube channel have asked me to give my show in English because they don't understand what I usually speak in Spanish. And you know what? You're right, and I'm going to please you. So, from now on, if you want to learn how to make artisan cheese at home and you're an English speaker, come and join me every Saturday at 11 a.m. New Zealand time to my show Ask the Cheese Doctor. In the show, I usually speak about a particular topic related to cheese making and always answer my audience questions. This next Saturday, I'm going to talk about milk and the best milk to make cheese. I assure you that you will surely learn how to make cheese. And by the way, it's free. All the information is below. Only follow the link and you'll have access to the show. And remember, life without cheese is like a hug without a kiss.